Now here is 6 sensor for the truck tire pressure monitoring system. And if we want to repair the number 7 tire, and we can repair on the monitor. Now here is the standby status, and press and hold the SET button to get into the setting mode. Now press the direction button to choose the tire pair. Then press an SET button to get into setting. Now here is the setting tire number 7. Now we install the number 7 sensor on the tire roof. If we sense the pressure, it will display OM. Now means press pair successful, then press and hold the SET button to save and exit. Okay,